started our digital journey 30 years ago. There are only two things now that you can't do online in Estonia, and it's getting married and getting divorced. The backbone of our digital e-governance is our ID card. We see it as a passport in the digital world. To keep up our digital system, we use 1% of our GDP just by being digital. We also save 3% of our GDP every year. We saved a stack of paper as high as the Eiffel Tower every year. When other countries come to us for advice, then we are always very willing to share with other governments who want to start building their e-state as well. Small countries have no time for small goals.